Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on how to create an APA paper. So if you have nothing left, I want you to know that you at least have the ability to make an APA paper. So here we go. You go to OWL at Purdue. That's all you type into the search window, OWL at Purdue, and then APA. And then once you get the APA part of that thing at the OWL at Purdue, you're going to reach this page. It's very simple. And then you come over and you say, well, I see that this thing is showing me everything I need to know about an APA paper. It's as if I don't even have to buy a ridiculously overpriced APA manual. And you don't. So here's what you do. You go to this thing, and I'm going to make use of the sample paper just to show you a few items on here. So you click on sample paper, and then you come over to right here where it shows you, as soon as it loads that is, a cool sample paper. And this sample paper, I'm going to enlarge it just a tweak or two here, and then we can come over. Notice you got your running head up here. I know that you've written APA papers. I know this isn't your first, but I'm just trying to make things easy on you if I can. So here is the running head up here. It tells you how to make that thing. It's all in caps. And then you come over and you do your varying definitions of online communication and their effects on relationship research, which is the title of the paper. Then you have your author down here. Then you got the university name, etc., etc. I'm not treating you like a dummy. I know you've done all this stuff before. You don't have any author's note there. There's nothing like that. And then you come down to your second page where it has the abstract. There's no such thing as an APA paper without an abstract. You'll get docked if you don't have an abstract in it. So that's one thing you need to know. The abstract is the last thing you write in the paper. Once you've written the entire paper, then you come back and write the abstract. It says what the paper talks about, what the findings are, etc., etc. So don't leave it out, but don't do it before you write your paper, because that's not going to happen. Then you come over and you type in the title on the top of page 3, and you start your paper. And it comes down. You know how to make citations in-text citations. They are the author's name is mentioned in the text, and you use only the year number. But if you use the if you don't mention the author in the citation, then you go ahead and just put this thing. You only use et al. In certain circumstances, and that's after only you have used the first citation in its fullness, unless it's 6 authors, and then you don't do that. All these little things are tricks of the trade. It tells you how to do in the various sections on the online thing. And then you'll come down here, you'll have basically an introduction, and then the literature review, and then the discussion. And you talk about the limitations of the study and all that other stuff. And then it comes to the reference list down here. When we get to it, that is, there it is. And this thing is basically already done for you thanks to my tutorial on using Zotero and importing the references from the paper into Zotero and having it spit out the references in APA format. It's highly cool. And so that's what you do. Then if you have appendixes, which you won't, you have that stuff. So there's your tutorial on how to use APA. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you later.